Hello, my crafty friends. This is Lori, Girl on the Ridge. It's kind of late Sunday night, and I've been cleaning today. And I just want to show you some sets that I made because I was doing a lot of coffee dyeing, and so I put some sets together for either beginning journalers that are new or anybody who just needs to get jump started on a project. So I have, let's see, well, I'll show you. I have some that the main, it started as each one has one of these, let's see, an envelope cover. Two envelopes together. So you'll see I broke them down to 4 categories. Either plain, the polka dot one, a long one, or a wide one. Let's see. And you'll see the dimensions. Like this is the envelope itself. And I'll open one of each. So I thought this might help some of you beginners, or if you don't have a lot of supplies. You'll get, now everything has a purpose. You get the a piece of trim. And this is pink fluffy eyelash. I don't rip it. Eyelash. I think I gave it at least close to a yard of this. Maybe a little less, 3/4. And then big piece of the seam binding. So you get that trim. And then, let's see, this first thing, you'll get a piece of jute. And then what I did is I took a guest check, and this is all coffee dye. This is heavily coffee dyed, so if you don't like the coffee smell, forget it. And I took, it's a piece of, half of yard of lace. And then this is a piece of muslin, and I stamped vintage on it at least no less than 12 times. Some got a little more depending on how close I got to it. With a little rusted pin. So you get that. And then here it's a yard of pink gingham that I coffee dyed and baked. And that is wrapped around, so you get that. And you get 3 vintage library cards. So you get that. Then you get another, now these are very heavy. I would say these are probably 32-pound envelope paper. I know they were a Thomas Kincaid set. And I don't know what I did with the cards, but I must have liked the envelopes. So in this envelope is a pretty big chunk of my cheesecloth gauze. It's nice to see somebody else's stuff. So that is, and you get that. And then these doilies, I bought a bag of doilies, and you can cut these up, use the corners however you want to do it. So I put that in there. And then another guest check. And then a variety of bags. So this is what started it. It's just your 2 envelopes, and this is probably very heavy 32-pound card stock. And then there's a glassine bag. And then I coffee dyed this with the dots on it. It's a tea bag. So you can get a couple out of them. You can just use your imagination. And then a couple pieces of cream paper. This is 26-pound paper. One with the dots and one blank. And then another glassine bag and another wax bag with the gussage in it. And another bag with another bag. So there's a lot of pieces here, and I know I'm going to throw some more stuff in it. I just know it. And then in here it is 2 pieces of German paper, German encyclopedia. I want to say it's the late 1800s. This is 1906 just a signature of a book. I love the paper. And then this is just newer Pride and Prejudice. Oh, I want to say it was the 40s. So there's some paper in there. So this will get you started. Just add some more. And you know what? I'm going to throw in a couple more pieces of big paper. So I will do that. So that. And like I said, the only difference is the envelope, the cover to your little booklet. And I think I had two. Oh, and this one, same thing, but the envelope is bigger and the dimensions are in the description. So, and this is how they'll come. Let's see, do I have, and then this one, again, it's the same thing. The cover is more of the dots, and it'll say polka dots. So, but everything else is the same. So I thought that might help some of you new people that haven't, you know, to see what kind, especially the paper. I'm getting a lot of paper questions. So I will probably put in, I did not put in a piece of 32-pound cardstock. So I will add that in so you get to feel everything, so you know what you want to spend your money on and what you like. And I prefer the 26 to 32 pound. That's just that I like that thickness. So, alrighty, so that is it for now. I might be back in a little while. I got some more of those booklets I want to put together, so I might just bring you along to craft with me. So, we'll see you soon. Bye.